Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Rack API using Node.js. Okay, so at first I will explain with the diagram and illustration. Okay, so we are creating an API and we will give two input to the API, the document file and the question. Okay, basically this rack will had you to chat with your document file. I mean like PDF file. You can chat with your book or your design book like newspaper, research paper, or other academics book. Yeah, like that. We have to provide two files to our API. The document file and two input the document files and question. Okay. Sorry, this has to be like this. Then API where okay. Yeah. Okay, so before that we go to the API and then we at the document file have to be separated using test separator by Lanchain library in npm. And then the separator test will be inserted into the beta DB. Here I will use in-memory beta DB supported by Lanchain library. Because I don't know, I just use that. But for the better performance, we can use another other database like ChromaDB. I suggest that. And after instead the submit the text into the beta database, we will generate the prompt by using the question, and then submit the text. Now we will use that generated prompt into the Ollama look at LMS, and we generate the content and then respond that content to the client. It's finished. Respond. Okay, so we will start the coding session. Okay, go to the VS Code. Okay, I have created a new folder named YouTube Rack. Okay, I will initiate a Node.js project. Okay, I have to install many things. Lanchain. I don't remember whatever for the API. Express and Matcha for the file storage, and then for the parsing PDS pass. Yeah, I think I don't remember, so I have to check it out. Okay, Lanchain community, Lanchain Ollama. Because for the element we will use Ollama, so we have to install that. Lanchain community, Lanchain Ollama, and that's all. Yeah, we have to install Lanchain. Okay, nothing also. Okay, it will take a few minutes. Find there are many sub libraries. Maybe my connection is poor. Oh my god, it took so long. Okay, one installing the dependency, we will create the required files. We need two files, two JavaScript files. So I will name the two files api.js and work.js. Okay, in the api.js, we will implement the code about API. I will just copy and I will explain to you. Okay, so here you can ignore this session. Here we set the port for the API, and we set the middleware melter. Okay, it will create the it will save the file another directory named data directory. So we have to create a directory called data. Okay, it is fine. Then the file name will be sample dot blah 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 blah. Actually it will be sample.pdf. Okay, and then we set up the Express API, and then we set up the route, upload route. That will be only this route because I just wrote this API for the POC, a proof of concept. Okay, in the upload route, we will receive a file and question. This is error handling. And then we will call force function. We will call this force function from red.js. I will explain this force function later. And then the response will be paid back to the user. After giving the response, I will delete the file because I don't want to be duplicated. So I wrote this code. This is the simple. Yeah. Okay. So I think the installation of dependency is finished, but I have to install Lanchain. Yeah. Okay. Okay. ABI session is clear now. Okay. We will go about red.js. Okay. Before red.js, you have to I have to tell about the requirement. You have to have Node.js and then Ollama. You can install Ollama on their website. For me, I install Ollama. Okay. It have to be run like this, so we can call the API locally. Okay, and then you have to install your designer Ollama under Ollama. For me, I use Ollama 3.2 byte meter. You can install like the Ollama pool your designer model like this. For me, like this. Okay. Okay, after installing this thing, we will go to red.js. Okay, I will just copy and paste, but I will explain to you. Okay, there are four functions in this red.js, in this JavaScript file. We will go first function. Okay, this function basically accept the find path. I mean the find path another data directory, and they will load that document file using PDF loader from Lanchain library, like this one. And then we will split the loaded document to get chunks. Here I just use chunk size 500, chunk overlap 0, no overlapping. Okay, we got the subletted text. Here, sublet the document, sublet the text, and then we will return the subletted text. This function is simple. Load the document and sublet the text. And then better save and such. Here, we will accept two arguments, subletted text and question. Question from the API. Okay, we use Ollama embedding. You can use many other embeddings like your desired embeddings. Okay, I can guide you here. I think here, yeah, Lanchain Ollama. Okay, if you want to use like OpenAI embedding, you can install a Lanchain slash OpenAI, and you can use OpenAI MLE like that. Okay, I use Ollama MLE because I just wanna use in my local machine, so I use Ollama. Okay, Ollama MLE, and then I will save my submitted text into database. Here, the database is just in-memory database, a sub provided by Lanchain library. Here you can see that. Uh, I recommend that the documentation by Lanchain is so simple and so good to read that. You can easily learn there. Okay, we inserted the pattern in the database, and then we will search the similarities by the question we got from API. So we got the similarity, and I will return the similarity search. Okay, this function do two things: saving the pattern and searching the similarities. Okay, the third function is we will generate the prompt to search to generate the content. Okay, so in the similarity from the similarity we will just combine that similarity into a single string called context. I just use for each loop and just combine them. We got a long context string, and then we will use a template. Here is simple. You can understand that. Answer the question based only on the following context. This will be the context string, this string, and the question will be this one from the API. It's like that. We will provide the context and we will ask that question by ourselves. It's also simple, and then return the prompt. Finally, the final function is to generate prompt. We just use chat Ollama instance to call the API. This is the default idea. You can change the port via Ollama. I don't know. You can check it out. Ollama help. And you may, or idea you can manually change the port, but this is the default port 11434. And then yeah, you have to replace the model name with your designer model, with your chosen model. For me, I install Lanchain 3.2 by meter, so Lanchain 3.2, and then we will just import that prompt to that Ollama, and then we will get the response. Yeah, that's all. And then the other things we have to do is in the package.json we have to add any type module, and then for the running def normal, I will use normal for this one. We will just run the api.js and it will call the rug.js. Okay, so npm run that. Okay, it is running on port 3005. Okay, in the Postman, we'll go to this one. The rise upload. In the body section, we will use foundator. For the key file, and we will insert the file document and the question we want to ask, and I will call the API. It will take a long. If the document is bigger file size, it will take longer. I recommend that your PC should be at least 8 GB in RAM, because I use in-memory database. But whatever I need, minimum RAM should be 8 GB. Okay, it takes longer than I think. I don't know why, but it will finish successfully. I'm sure of that. Okay. Okay, we just the content is in the data object data property. Okay, that's all. This is how I build the React API pipeline using Node.js. For the better improvement, for the better modification, you can use the documentation on Lanchain. Actually, this video is inspired by a video I will share. Pixel Gummy, I think so. Oh yeah, yeah. I I watched this video, but this video is written in Python, and I just implement another version of Node.js, but also API. Okay, I shout out to Plexi Gummy. Thank you for sharing. Okay, today that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.